Hi everyone, my name is Stan. I'm a yacht broker with Yacht Habit and the founder of Azul Yacht Group.
Hi, my name is Ksenia, and today we're going to show you this beautiful boat. So if you are watching this, you're either a yacht lover, you dream about yachts, or you want to see if Stan messes up driving this one. Hi guys! Today we're showing you this beautiful Hampton 658L made for long trips, comfort and freedom on the water. Let's figure it out. And trust me, you want this one. This is the perfect spot for dinners, drinks, or just reminding your dearest friends that you own a yacht. Let's go further to see more. Here we have gas filling tank for diesel, and what is special about this one is we have this small pocket, so if you mess up you can clean everything and store your belongings here, your towels here. It's pretty convenient. What is really special about this one is this walkthrough is actually very convenient. It's quite wide, and here it's very nice to hold, to hook if something goes wrong, if there is a turbulence.
We have here additional connectors for the shore power that you can hook depending on which side of the boat you dock to the dock.
Okay. What we have here?
Two anchor systems. It's both hydraulic with ability to operate manually if you need to, and you also have a deck wash and a fresh water, and that allows you to wash down the chain and wash down the deck if you need to.
You can actually, open and have some fresh air. We can give them drinks.
Let's open up one of the seats and see what's inside.
Yeah, so here we have a couple of seats, which are pretty comfortable. So yeah, to enjoy the beautiful view and the amazing weather, which could probably meet you at your boat trip. Yeah, that's pretty convenient. Okay, let's go. Woo! Look what we've got here.
It's just slides on the left.
That's so beautiful. Come here. Wow.
And that's an enclosed and air conditioned.
Yeah. That's a chair for a
captain's
master.
chair.
Yeah. I need a special hat.
And two Garmin chart plotters, control levers, stern and bow thruster, engine controlling systems, trim tabs, radio, this whole area.
And the compass! I don't know, I just like that it's so round. I want to touch it.
Nice.
Yeah. So heats it. Is it like
it's impact resistant.
Impact resistant.
Yeah.
So that's important because you never know. Like you can be going in a storm, and sometimes I imagine myself standing there with my captain, sailing to the Bahamas. Do I look good?
Perfect.
Yeah. What's your opinion?
I think this boat is for you.
For sure. Yeah. Beautiful area here where you can have your dinner or your lunch with your friends, have a bottle of champagne. I think it's very convenient, and also the view here is much better than downstairs. I personally would prefer to eat here rather than downstairs, but everyone's different.
And you have an AC outlet at the back.
Oh wow! We even have an AC here, which is cool. Because with all those coverings, it can be, even right now, it's pretty warm here. So AC would be really convenient. Here comes the grill where my chef gonna fry calamari and steak for me. Yeah, it's pretty big, so I think it's actually gonna fit food for me and for my friends. Here we have a small storage.
Wet bar.
So here we have an additional entrance to the main cabin. It looks like this. There is a stairs over there, pretty convenient, as you can see. And let's go to the main cabin and see what this beautiful boat hides there for us.
The key point of this whole yacht is amazing.
Yeah. So here is the living room. As you can see, it's pretty comfortable to stay here because the glasses, they have a sun protection. They have a special firm, light here, light here. If you want to close, you have special curtain which you can put up and down. So you can actually sit here on the sofa and enjoy watching movies or videos of your trips over here.
The Galley.
So we have a kitchen here. Oh, wow!
Kitchen galley.
I like that. Looks just like my oven in an apartment. So yeah, it has a microwave also here. A big fridge. Okay, here I think to store any of the belongings. This is a holder for the glass. So if you're
A bunch of outlets, 110 volt, so you can hook up all the appliances you need.
yeah, which is pretty nice. Oh, here we have the door.
It's a waterproof hatch, which is pretty easy to open.
So actually, I think it just like swells it, like it's with the vacuum here. So yeah, you can be sure that water will not come in. Maybe let's see what's downstairs. I would like to start from the master. So here, let me stop for a second. Here we have a dryer and a washing machine, which I think it's pretty nice and pretty convenient, especially if you're traveling for a long time during a long trip. So here is the master bedroom. We have a couch. We have a lot of storage space. There is a hidden wardrobe over here. It's like very like special about this boat. It has a lot of storage and everything is made with wood. And we have a full length mirror and a bathroom. Wow, you like it?
Nice.
Yeah.
It's a double sink.
Yeah, another mirror. Here goes the toilet and a shower cabin. We can actually fit two people.
It's huge.
And a kid. Yeah.
You can fit 2 or 3 people here.
Yeah, like father, mother, and the kid. And there is a ventilating system, as I can hear. Yeah, I was touching the wood. Actually, you noticed that I was touching the wood and doing like this because I like the quality of it. It feels like very luxury, very expensive. I like it. It's something different. And there is light inside. And I found another TV. Come here. We have another TV over here. So if you're lying on the bed like that, this is the second guest cabin, and the construction of it is pretty similar to the master. So it mirrors the master cabin. It has a TV over here, as a mirror over here, which also elongates, and as we said before, a lot of storage, like tons of storage. If you have a big,
it's a full height cabinet. Yeah, and these are also nice touches.
Yeah, I like this detailing. Small chair over here. Small sofa. Little sofa. And here we have a bathroom, sink. Yeah, full standing shower with the sitting place. So if you're washing your hair, you want to sit, you're tired, you can do that. If the boat is shaking, you can also sit here. So our guess about marble was right.
The build quality is amazing.
Storage. necessities. Oh, and there is a mirror. There is a mirror on the ceiling, so it lengthens because this bathroom is smaller than the other one, but because of the mirror, actually you don't feel here like in a small cage. Yeah. No claustrophobia.
Nice.